Day 7 of our 75-day LeetCode coding challenge, and today we are going to solve a product of array except self. So yeah, let's jump start to the problem statement. Given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to the product of all the element of nums except nums I. To fit in a 32-bit integer, you must write an algorithm that runs in O time and without using the division operation. And basically we need to find the product of array, but expect that index itself. So what I mean by this, in this array 1 2 3 4, the output is this. So for index 1, if we exclude 1 and take the product of 2 3 4, it is 24. For second index 2, exclude 2 and take the product of 1 into 3 into 4, that is 12. For index 3, exclude 3 and take 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8. And for last index, exclude 4 and 1 into 2 into 3 6. So this is the output. Similar you can do for this test case also. And one follow-up: can you solve the problem in O1 extra space complexity? The output array does not count as an extra space for space complexity analysis. So basically the answer array that we are going to use, it will not going to calculate as an extra space. One thing to note down: we need to solve this problem without using the division operation. So with the division operation, it is very easy to solve. Basically what you can do, if we use a division operation, take the total product of all the element, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. I am writing for this test case, and suppose I need to find for first index. The first index, it will simply be total product by that element value. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 1. So this will be the answer, which will be 24. Similarly, you can do for other element. Basically just divide the total product with the element itself. So it will give you the result excluding that element. But we cannot use the division operation. So forget this approach and let's try to solve this problem statement. One thing, let's write our array something like a comma b comma c comma d, and now the output that we need to give is will be a. At a we need to pass bcd b into c into d. For b it will be acd, for c it will be abd, and for c it will be abc, right? But how to derive this output? What we can do, we can have an intermediate answer array. Basically we are allowed to use one array to store the answer, and that will not be calculated as an extra space. So we can have one answer array. At step first, calculate the total product to that index. Calculate total product till that index. What I mean by this, our answer array, like if we iterate over this array, the first index we store a, for second index it should store ab, a into b, for third index it should store abc, and for fourth index it should store abcd, right? This is the first step we need to do. Second step, what we can do, so suppose for any index, for a there is no left side, right? So product will be b into c into d, and similarly for b, the answer will be a into c into d excluding b, right? Right now we have taken the product from left side only, a into b and a b c and a b c d, right? But if we have something right product also, suppose for this b index, or suppose for this c index I have ab, right? I can look into the answer array and can check like index minus 1, I have that left side product. I need to find the right side product. So how I can do it? Basically, iterate answer array backside, iterate array, iterate answer array backside from last index to first index. Then have the calculate the total product, total right product, total right product. What I mean by this, if I travel backward side for this answer array, I know like for the fourth index, index minus 1 ABC, I already have the ABC value stored, right? And if I am traversing backside in this answer array, this array length and answer is basically have the same length. So I know like from array the last element is D, and for this D we have the total left side product. We need to find the right side product, but there is no right side element. So for this the right side value will be 1, correct? Let's take a second example. If we iterate, so this is the last index, we have iterated fourth position. Now iterate to the third position. So for this position we know index minus 1, we have the left side product. Now we need to find the right side product. So it will be, we already know that we have the array, and what we can say, we have the total right product, and we can add some logic like this for every iteration. Total right product into array of that particular index, right? So for first value, the total right product will remain 1, but gradually we will keep on storing the right side product, because we are iterating from the right side, and we will keep on storing this right side product in this variable. So we know like, so like for third index, index minus 1 into total right product. Similarly for index 2, it will be left side product A into right side product, total right product. I know it is a little bit complex, but if we start coding, it will make more sense, and you will be able to understand the solution. So let's try to do this problem statement in coding, and let's see if we can understand it. So first, we are defining our one variable left product. So this variable say this variable will store the left side product. Basically, if iterating for this array A, B, C, D, so left product first will contain 1, then A into B, then A into B into C, then A into B into C into D. So we initializing it by value 1, then iterate over your nums array. Let's define our answer array. So left product will be left product into nums I, correct? And I can also write this thing like this, but just to make code more readable, I am writing in this way. Okay, now we have the left product, we can store it in the answer array. So answer I equal to left product, right? Let's take our example only where nums have the value A, B, C, D. And now our answer I will contain value something like this. At first position it will be A, because it is initialized by 1, so 1 into nums I. At first index it will be A, for second index it will be AB, for third index ABC, and for fourth index it will be ABCD, right? Now we have that left side product. Now try to find the right side product. We can say integer right prod equal to 1. Iterate over your array again. We are saying the left side product will be nums I, right? Nums I minus 1, not nums, we are stored in the ans, so it will be ans I minus 1, right? So for and we need to iterate backward side, greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus, right? So for this fourth index the left side product will be ABC, so left equal to answer I minus 1. One thing, like if we reach to the first index there is no left element, so we need to handle that case also. So I am adding one if then else condition. If I is equal to, if I minus 1 is equal to 0, return 1, else answer I minus 1. So for one condition it will return 1 because there is no left side element after before index 0. So we have that left product, and what we can do, we can store the answer at that particular index I. It will be left side into our right side product. The right side product will remain 1, but then we will going to initialize our right side product with right side product into nums I. Okay, so let's so this is our answer array. Right product we have initialized by 1. For fourth index ABCD, the left value will be ABC. We have done the product here. Answer I equal to left into right product. Right product is 1 and left is ABC. So at last index we have stored ABC. Let's ABC, right? We will reverse it later. And then right product is initialized to right product into nums I. So what is at the index nums I? It is D, right? A, B, C, D. This is the last value. Next, again we go to the next index ABC. The left value will be AB. Now left into right product. So AB, and what is our right product is D. So A, B and D, correct? As this left and this. So basically if you are seeing, we have done the product of left side into right side, but we have excluded that particular index, right? ABD, and in the right product we will append C also, right? Then again we will reach to the next index AB, so we will take the left side A, and here we will say A left side into right side. What is the right side? DC, ADC, right? And ACD, and again we append the last element B, and here there is no left side, so we will return 1. Left side into right side product. What is right side product? DCB. Let's write it something like BCD, right? So first, and let's reverse it. BCD, ACD, ABD and ABC. So for first index A is not there, for second index B is not there, for third index C is not there, for last index D is not there. So this dry run is working fine, and now let's return our answer. Let's run our test case. there are some compile time error, we can solve it. I minus 1 equal to I 1 equal to 0. Okay, so I minus 1, I think I made some mistake here, right? Run it. And we are going index out of bound for length 4. What we are doing wrong? I equal to num's length. Basically I need to give num length minus 1. And still we are getting index out of bound. I index minus 1 out of bound. Let's say I minus 1 should be uh, greater than equal to 0. Okay, again we are going index out of bound. Index minus 1 out of bound for length 4. We are iterating the backward side. 9 greater than 0. I minus minus I minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. If it is greater than equal to 0, return I minus 1, and it's return 1. That's for 1. Okay, now it is working, and let's submit our solution. Yeah, so yeah, it's working. Thanks for joining the session. Let's meet tomorrow.